Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to upload your digital product, your ebook on Selar platform. Make sure you watch from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss any step. So once you create a seller account, you have different profiles available for you. You have the creator's profile, you have the affiliate profile, and you have the customer's profile. So if you want to upload a book, a digital product, you just have to stay on creator's profile. But if you want to sell affiliate links, you have to go over, switch to affiliate profile. Then we are going to go ahead and upload the product. Just go ahead and click on add a product. It's going to take you to another interface. So here, there are different things you can do here. You can sell digital products, you can sell tickets for events, you can sell services, you can sell subscriptions, you can sell courses, you can sell membership to courses, and so many other stuff. If I scroll down, you are going to see different things you can actually do here. But what we are interested in is selling of our digital products. So I'm going to go ahead and click on next to take me to the next phase. The next step is to add our product details. I will start by adding the book cover. I have made a video on how you can actually create a book cover on Canva. So if you have done that, you are going to input the book cover here. So click on the images and then select the book cover that you've created and allow it to upload here. So once it's done uploading, you can see mine is uploading already. Once it's done uploading, you go to the second phase, which is adding your product name. Okay, so by now your product must have been ready. You already have your manuscript to have your product. So go ahead and add your product name. So I'll also make a video on how you can actually create a digital product using ChatGPT and other tools that you need for creating your digital product. If you want me to make that video fast, comment on the chat. I'm going to go ahead and make a video on how to create a digital product using ChatGPT. So right now I'm putting my product name. Okay, so once you are done inputting your product name, you are going to go to the next step, which is putting the price of the product. Okay, I'm done with the product name. I'm going to write the sale price, the amount I want to sell the book. You are going to see it in your own currency. Okay, so once you write the amount you want to sell the book, next is for you to, you can see, read the instruction here, and you can see show strike out original price. Tick that in on and then write the amount you think your book is worth. Okay, so once you are done with that, go ahead and write the description of your book. Write inside this big box, write the description of the book. Here is where you can write something that will capture people that want to buy your book. Okay, you write what your book is talking about and why people should buy it. This is what you're going to write inside this big box. With the help of ChatGPT, you can actually write a good description for your book. So once you are done with this, your book description, go over and select the categories of your book. Click on the drop down. You are going to see different categories and then pick the one that suits your book. Then go over, select subcategories. You are going to also see some drop down. Select the one that suits your book, what your book talks about. And then we go over to book type. So our book type is a digital product. Okay, so we're talking about digital products. So if yours is not a digital product, whatever you're uploading, just select your product type. So I have a digital product, so I'm going to go ahead and select digital products. Next, go ahead to check this box, give buyers access to your file. Then do you want your file to be a downloadable file or read online only? So I'm going to leave it on a downloadable file and then go ahead and upload your digital product, your manuscript. Right now I've uploaded my product. Okay, so I'm going to go back and check everything that I have put here to make sure that I have the correct information. So once everything is correct, I'm going to go ahead and click on create digital products. All right, so we are going to go ahead and check all the information that we've put here to make sure that everything is correct. First, we have our book cover correct. We have the name of the product correct. We have the sale price and then we have the original price. Make sure that your sale price is different from your original price. Original price should always be greater than the sell price. Then head over to your description. Go to ChatGPT to write a good description for you. Copy it and then paste it. Modify the description. Don't just leave it the way ChatGPT gave it to you. Make sure you modify it. And then once it's correct, check your category. Okay. Make sure it talks about your book. Then check your subcategory. And then more details about the book. Make sure you select the right product type. Mine is a digital product. And then go ahead and select give buyers access to my profile, and then make sure your book is on downloadable file if you want your customers to be able to download it after paying the book. And then your manuscript is the right one. So once you see everything is correct, go ahead and click on create product and then wait for it to upload. I've clicked on create product. So right now you can see here it is uploading. Okay, so once your products finish uploading, you are going to get a link for the product. With that link, you can share it to on different platforms that you want to sell it. You can share on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, on any platform that you actually want to sell your book with the link they are going to give you. You can also share on WhatsApp, share to friends to get your book and buy with that link. Okay, so let's wait for it to upload and I'm going to show you the link right now. So guys, I already have the link to this book on my bio. So you can actually click the link on my bio to have access to this book, to get this book. As you can see, my book has finished uploading and it talks about smart income, how to make money online using different AI tools. So if you want to start making money online using different AI tools, you are going to go ahead and get this book. This book will also give you access to me, to my mentorship and to my coaching. Okay, so if you want me to mentor you, to coach you, to start making money online, go ahead and get this book and let me know that you have gotten the book and I'm going to help you make money online. So what do you do? Click on public link and it's going to give you the link to the book, okay, to your own book. With the link to your own book, you can share it to different platforms where you are going to sell your book. You can share to TikTok, share to Instagram, share to Facebook, share on WhatsApp, share to different people that you actually want to sell your book to. Okay, so this my book talks about smart income, how to make money online using AI tools. Okay, so in this book you're going to learn how to turn different free AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Copy AI into real money. Okay, so go ahead and get the book. Let me know that you've gotten the book and I'm going to help you get started. Okay, step by step tutorials. This book is what you need. Okay, make sure you like this video, subscribe.